Hello, my name is John Adams, and welcome to Keysight's Channel Vision. Today I will be joined by Cristian Lazar. Cristian started his career in network engineering while simultaneously being a CCNA instructor. He joined EMEA in 2017 in support and professional services, and later moved in 2019 to the sales team. Today he will be joining us to talk about an OT gas and oil industry deployment where we were actually focusing on the IT side, where we had a lack of visibility of understanding how such services as Microsoft Teams were being conducted through various segments of the business. The biggest problems, they didn't have any network software available for them to conduct their testing, and testing between these various segments of business created quite a problem for the global troubleshooting situation that they had to deal with. So, Cristian, please take it away.
Hello John, thank you very much for the kind introduction and for having me here today. It has definitely been a real pleasure working with you for the past 5 years, and I'm truly looking forward to see what's next. Now let's discuss how we managed to assist one of our customers to address the conference call performance issues with the help of our amazing Keysight Hawkeye product. We were working with this customer to deploy some packet brokers within their OT network environment. Then unfortunately the pandemic has happened, so you can imagine they needed to move their entire office operation in a work from home type of environment. This brought a lot of complaints and a lot of incidents to the IT team, where users were complaining that their conference call experience is not the same, it's not that crisp anymore, they are seeing laggy and jittery behavior. So now the IT department needed to investigate what is going on, but the problem is that they had no starting point. They couldn't correlate any of these complaints with an actual network event. At that point, lacking the tools to properly troubleshoot their network and having any clue where to identify this root cause, they contacted us and they asked, look guys, beside the packet brokers, do you have anything else in your network testing toolbox that can help us to address this type of issue? And we're like, well, say no more, we do actually have the Keysight Hawkeye. It's a tool for proactive network monitoring where we can deploy these probes across your entire network infrastructure. When I'm saying across your entire network infrastructure, I'm referring to a hybrid cloud type of network infrastructure, because we had to deploy probes within their IT infrastructure, probes within the cloud to validate if there is some issues also with the external clouds to their customers, and of course probes at the edge where now the users were residing. All being said, we deployed all these probes. We started to configure some tests for conference call monitoring, especially Microsoft Teams calls for WAN and cloud connectivity, and we've let this test run. Definitely we had no clue about what their network performance might be and what we should expect. And here comes into picture the amazing machine learning technology that Hawkeye has, where it can understand your baseline network performance, it can adapt and run accordingly. Then when something wrong is happening, something strange, those KPIs are not working as you should expect, then an incident is reported. And this definitely helped them to understand where the problem have occurred. Based having this evidence, they could then correlate the information with the activity that was going on in the network, identify that some large file transfers could have interfered with the voice quality, optimize the network, optimize these tools, and basically address the problem. Afterwards, the complaints have decreased up to the point where the network returned to normal operations. So as you can see, I will definitely recommend to all of our partners to reach out to us whenever they encounter various type of issues within their customer environments. I know that Keysight has a large portfolio, but if I'm looking especially at the enterprise cloud and visibility products, I can find myself with a Swiss Army knife in my hands. Because I have products to test your network in pre-production and understand if these deployments are performing accordingly to the datasheets or according to your end user expectation. Then we have the best products on the market when it comes to the packet brokers, both in terms of performance and user experience. And then if you look into the other products like Hawkeye that for proactive network monitoring or proactive security assessments like the threat simulator, I would say that you can address many of your customer issues if you only look into our portfolio. And on this bombshell, John, it's time to go back to you. Thank you very much. Cheers.